Welcome to Review Ocean. If you're in need of top quality garden nettings, you've come to the right place. We've done the hard work for you, researching extensively to bring you the top 5 garden nettings from trusted brands. In this video, we'll review a product we believe will elevate your gardening experience. Check out the description box below for more details and pricing. Let's dive into the video without delay. Number 1. Feitore Deer Fence Netting. Feitore Deer Fence Netting offers a reliable solution to safeguard your garden from unwanted intruders. The netting comes in a convenient size of 7 feet x 100 feet 2.1 x 30 m, with a mesh size of 3/4. 1.9 centimeters in a sleek black color. This package includes 10 installation nails and 50 cable ties as a bonus free gift. Crafted from durable polypropylene, the lightweight yet heavy-duty netting resists tearing, rusting, and rotting, making it reusable for extended protection. Versatile in its application, it can also function as bird netting, chicken netting, rabbit fence, and pond or pool netting. The 3/4 inch square mesh design ensures the safety of garden. Number 2. Faraer Green Mesh Netting. The Faraer Green Mesh Netting in large size 10 by 33 feet. A superior solution for providing enhanced security and protection to your garden. The netting features an ultra-fine mesh measuring 0.8 mm by 1 mm, which effectively safeguards vegetable plants, fruits, flowers, and crops from potential threats. The unique oblong hole construction ensures exceptional coverage, allowing air and moisture to pass through, while keeping pests and other nuisances at bay. One of the key advantages is its convenience, as it doesn't need to be removed during watering or when applying liquid feed. You can simply apply them directly through the mesh. This versatile garden netting can be utilized in pastures, orchards, and gardens, safeguarding your valuable investments. Moreover, it proves to be equally useful indoors and on windows at home, providing protection from dust and intense sun rays, while allowing fresh air to circulate freely. With Faraer Green Mesh Netting, you can enjoy bountiful and secure yields with ease. Number 3. Rule & Garden Netting. The Rule & Garden Netting is a reliable and practical solution for safeguarding your outdoor space, measuring 13 by 20 feet. Crafted with high-quality polypropylene material, it ensures durability and longevity, while maintaining an eco-friendly touch. The green color blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings, making it unobtrusive. Its generous dimensions of 240 by 156 inches offer ample coverage to protect your plants and crops from pests and birds. The netting is designed in a column shape, allowing for easy installation and providing a secure barrier against unwanted intruders. Whether you're an avid gardener or a professional farmer, Rule & Garden Netting is a must-have for ensuring the health and growth of your precious plants in a safe and protected environment. Number 4. AlpineReach Garden Netting. AlpineReach Garden Netting offers reliable and efficient protection for your precious plants against a variety of unwanted visitors, such as birds, deer, squirrels, and rabbits. Crafted with durable, resistant material, the netting holds its strength even after prolonged exposure to the sun, making it ideal for outdoor use. Its 5/8 inch heavy-duty woven mesh provides exceptional tensile strength, ensuring durability and resistance against weather stress. The 7.5 by 65 size suits most needs and can be easily trimmed to fit your desired fence perimeter. Installing the netting is a breeze, as all necessary zip tie accessories are included in the gift box. The user-friendly design allows for quick application, saving you time and effort. Whether you need a reliable deer fence, a robust plant protector, or a garden fence net, this versatile netting will exceed your expectations. Beware of imitations and choose the original woven mesh netting for optimal plant protection and peace of mind. Number 5. Poye Garden Bird Netting. Introducing Poye Garden Bird Netting, available in various sizes to suit your gardening needs. 13 by 50 feet, 7 by 65 feet, 7 by 100 feet, 13 by 13 feet, and 13 by 33 feet. This heavy-duty garden netting offers exceptional protection for your precious vegetables and fruit trees, guarding them against pesky birds, deer, and other pests that can wreak havoc on your harvest. The durable and sturdy construction ensures longevity, allowing you to use it season after season. With Poye Garden Bird Netting, you can cultivate your garden with peace of mind, knowing that your hard work and efforts will be safeguarded against unwanted intruders. Maintain the beauty and productivity of your garden with this reliable and effective garden netting solution. Thanks for tuning in to our product review channel. We hope you found our insights helpful in making informed decisions. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews. Remember, your feedback matters, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy shopping and stay tuned for more awesome content.